Hello everyone, I am here at IFFE Expo 2024 with Gostol and with me is Mr. Aditya Ural, the sales head of the company. And today we'll know that they are into the manufacturing of short blasting machines. So let us hear from them what it is actually about. So what is short blasting machines?
Short blasting machines, are the capital goods. We call it as capital good machinery, which is mainly used in surface preparation of the steel and other parts. So directly or indirectly, major source of our income comes from automobile industry, other than in steel structural industry and in railway, Indian railways. So where the surface preparation is required to clean the steel surface. That means cleaning before machining, cleaning before powder coating, cleaning before painting. So we use the short blasting machine.
So what is the story of the company? Can you please elaborate us that?
Gostol is a European company. So we formed a joint venture with a European company in 2015 in India. In Europe, it is based in Slovenia, in near Italy. It is around 70 years old company in Europe. In India, we are almost 9.5 years old now.
Okay.
So we have a manufacturing plant in Bangalore and sales and service across India. So we manufacture the machines in Bangalore in accordance with the European drawings.
So with our products, how we are helping this industry?
Gostol, since it's a European company with a strong engineering base, we produce a very good machines with very good quality at a reasonable price for Indian market. So earlier, before we entered into the market, so there were only few players who were manufacturing the machine with this quality range. So now we have come to a market in through which what is happening, we have created a good competency. That means through which customers are getting benefited. Earlier, some monopoly market was there with one of our competitor. Now, since we are here, so they have also come down with the prices. They have improved the quality. We are also continuously improving the quality depending on customer requirement. So that is why customer is getting benefited with a good quality of machines, reasonable prices.
So we've been here at the expo. What kind of response you are getting? How is going?
No, IFFE was always a good expo. 2 years ago, we participated here. We could generate lot of leads, and in Kolhapur market, we were able to market our product very well, and many people came to know our establishment. Since India is a very huge country with various industrial setup and hubs and everywhere, it is very difficult to market door to door. So this exhibition helps us, to meet the customer and to showcase our product. And somehow in his next procurement time, or when he has the requirement, he will be having in a mind that I have seen somebody in Expo. So that will help us to generate more leads and generate more business.
Connection.